Hey miners, hope you all going well. So there is a quick update that NV Miner also released the new version, that is 41.0, and they are said that they are also unlocked the LHR card 100%, and this is the main website that you can download the latest version. Here we can see that this is the version that on Windows. This is the Windows version and this is the Linux version. This is the official website, so you can download it from here. And one more thing, that just a minute, in this here you can see the configuration. You can configure by this way. Just keep your wallet address, your Ethereum wallet address and username and the rig name, that you just double click on your batch file after the setting the batch files, and then start the batch file and set the miner, and you can unlock the LHR cards 100%. So this is the GitHub page that they also release, and NV Miner is here said that nvminer.com and nvminer GitHub, the only two official website that they maintained and published the updated miner version. So this is the new latest version. Here the GitHub page, they also released and updated the latest version. So in this year 40.1, this is not work, so you need to download the new version is 41.0, and this is the features that support on Windows and Linux. Nvidia LHR GPU Ethos partial unlock is here, but they say that they can be unlocked full hash rate and you can achieve your LHR cards is 100%. So this is some news and blah blah, the configuration and whatever the news all is here. This is the API references and the overclock setting for your cards. So this is the feature that on Ethos 100% LHR unlock added for both Windows and Linux. Run NV Miner with admin privilege to get 100% LHR unlock. Tested and verified drivers, and the updated version is required 512.15 for Windows and 510.60 for Linux. Other drivers version may have some compatibility issue, because if you use 472.18 or something or lower version, you cannot achieve the 100% unlock. So you need to this both driver for Windows and Linux, and other driver version is compatible. Previous LHR mode are removed. Now the new version is 41.0, which is they declared that in this version or in this miner version you can unlock your LHR card 100%. So this is the previous overclock setting and this is the main. Now all you need to do, just download from it here or from the GitHub page. This is the link, that github.com/nebutech/nvminer, and the main website is nvminer.info. You can check it here and download this version, and here we can see that I'm also downloading this latest version, and I just a minute, nvminer. Okay, so this is the version. I just unlock or extract this folder, and now I'm going to use this ETH. You can select the overclock setting version So this is the main part, you can see, and this is the stratum generator. You can set your stratum generator ID which you are using. This is your wallet ID, and the PL is 70%, core clock is 1400, and memory clock is 1000, and fan limit is 100%. But you can change it from, you are all knowing that I have two 36TL HR card. This is the V1, this is the V2 card. So I just set the core clock is 1400 and the memory clock is 1300, and fan speed is 100, and power limit is 70%, or you can unlock or give you 0% or maybe 100%. So just a minute. This is my stratum generator ID because I am using a nice stratum generator because my wallet ID is I'm using nice as, so I'm just using stratum generator is from nice as. And for the wallet ID, and after the wallet ID you set your rig name if you want. So all is set. Here you can see that this is the stratum generator ID, this is the main batch file setting, and this is the overclock setting. Save on and run on it. So this is the quick update. I'm not start the mining and not showing you the result because I have some work, and I just see the new update that NV Miner is releases. So as per you for the news, I just make a quick video about after the set the overclock setting and on my MSI afterburner because my PC is old, you know that, and for this I don't use any overclock setting on this, so I use some overclock setting on MSI afterburner. So after I set and test my both LHR cards, and I can sure about that what is the result and how much it can be unlocked, it should be 100% or not. So hope you guys stay tuned for the next video, and you can try on your rigs. This is the website, this is the GitHub link, and this is the main new version. Okay, I just already downloaded, that's why I just discarded. And you can see all the minimum requirement is also this for, and the simple usage. You can all know the old miners that all the stratum generator ID is here, you can set it, or if you use nice, then just go to the nice and just a minute, and in this here you can generate your stratum generator ID. Just select Dagger Hashimoto and generate address. Here we can see that this is the version that you need to copy and set on your batch file. And for the new miners, you just find out your mining address, you can copy it here and paste it your batch file. After all set, you just need to you just need to double click on this, and after all set, you get the maximum hash rate on your LHR cards. So thanks for you guys, this is the quick update. Hope you get the maximum hash rate on your LHR card. So this is the update, see you in the next one.